6 in the morning. It's almost 7. It's 6:40. I gotta do my hair because I gotta go to work today, and I've been procrastinating it. I also have to shave my head, and I have to wash my ass. But if I wash my ass, I won't be able to do my hair, so that it actually takes the dye. So I went to Sally's. And we're going black. But I had to, I'm going with like a blue black because I want it really dark. But I'm doing this because I dyed my hair with a hair box dye, and it fucking washed out. If this doesn't work and leave my hair black, then I just have to grow it out, I guess, because this turns into this after enough washes. So yeah, this one's like 1 part this, 2 parts developer. I only got 10 volume because anything beyond 10 volume is stupid. Also, my hair is like hella crazy and I need to wash it. I'm also gonna use Olaplex just a little bit to make sure that it doesn't, damage all of my head. I fucking can't with this. This is like huge. I think I'm gonna do 1, and then if I need more hair color, because I have a lot of hair, I'll just open the other one and make the other one. It said 2. If this is 1, then this is 2. That should be enough. Just a little bit of Olaplex now. And I'm supposed to go to work in like 30 minutes. We'll see. I don't think I've ever done this type of color, or like this type of box dye. It smells good. I found my gloves. This is so much later. Did you always be part of me? Say hi. I always wants to be part of it. I'm trying to separate my hair, but honestly, it's just black and it doesn't really matter. What it does matter is the fact that I might have to get it all over my shirt, because I am so bad at it. Get out of this. Let me go change. Okay, I'll just use my sports bra because I could not find anything else. And this color is actually developing. Oh shit. Gotta hurry up. Oh. Goodbye blonde, goodbye pink. Oh shit, I can already see it. So I'm gonna concentrate on the blonde bits. And because black is such a powerful, potent color, it'll just like spread up. I think. I know it is. so it doesn't need to go all the way to the root. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get hella stained. Now I have a freaking clip. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. You see it coming, turning already. I'll be back when my whole head is done. Actually, let me just sit here for you to watch it change color. Look at that stuff. That is crazy ass shit. That is crazy. It's changing as them. It's changing real fast. It's almost looking purple too. I did not pick purple. It's supposed to be black. Hair color just looks funky on me. Like all different hair colors just look different on me, I guess. Look at that. That's a big difference. I can't tell if you can tell. Can you tell? Oh, it's getting darker. Oh yeah. I can see the blue though. That's a lot of blue on their tones. Okay. Well, it's shifting. I'll be back when I'm done. It looks hella blue. We'll see. Now I have to shower, get ready because I'm already late. Okay. And this is the result. It's extra blue. It's also like the end of the day. So there's no sunlight. I didn't shave my head. But it's definitely extra blue. But I like it. We'll see how long it takes for it to wash off.